Hi, in this video we're going to be talking about the new Google Gemini Nano Banana text-to-image creator. So this is a newer upgrade from the previous image creator. So I have a little chart here. So the previous one was called Imagen 3. So they've made some upgrades, and so you can use it for free. There is a professional version that you could do as well if you want to pay for the monthly subscription, and you'll get better results, obviously, but the free one does a pretty good job. So here's a list of some of the main differences here, such as for text rendering, good for short words or labels, and it's exceptional, can render paragraphs, menus, and complex signs without typos. Better spatial awareness with Nano Banana. When it comes to editing, you could just talk to it, such as make it night or move the chair to the window. So if you want to have it fix things, just type in what you want to have it fix. Better consistency, better accuracy, and up to 4K and 8K resolution for Nano Banana compared to 1024 standard HD for Imagen 3. All right, so now let's try out some samples here and see what we could get. All right, so if you go to the Gemini website, there's an option here to create image, and if you don't have that, you could click on the tools button and create image there, and then just type in what you want it to make. Then you have some options here for fast, and then there's the Pro, if you have the Pro subscription here, to get better results. All right, so the first one here, create a graphic for my book cover on how to master Windows 11. See what it comes up with. I'll probably pause during the image creation here because it's not super slow, but I'm sure you don't want to watch this thing spin all day here. All right, so here's our first result here. So it even came up with some text you could use, some graphics, part to put your name, a little subtitle there, so not too bad. So let's say you wanted to change the text on the bottom. You need to be careful when doing your edits. So let's say we type in, so we'll make the text on the bottom say, become a Windows 11 master in days. So if we click on submit here, let's see what happens. You'll get that error right there. So you need to be more specific when you make your changes. All right, let's try something else here. Edit your existing image and make the text on the bottom say, become a Windows 11 master in days. All right, you can see that didn't work. So now we're going to try a different text here. So redo the image exactly the same and make the text on the bottom say, become a Windows 11 master in days. All right, so you can see it tried to do the image the same, but obviously it's not the exact same image. It did come up with the correct text, and it kind of matched the color scheme and that type of thing, but it's definitely not the same. So you're going to run into that problem when it comes to editing your existing images. So it's going to be hard to make, some exact changes while keeping the image correct. So keep that in mind. And then if you like the image here, you could hover over it, you could share it, copy it and paste it somewhere, download it full size, change the name if you want. And there's our image. All right, let's try something else here. Create a realistic image of a man jumping a mountain bike over a clown. So this is what happens if you keep the same conversation going. It tries to blend the two together. So now we have our book cover and our image at the same time. So when this happens, you just want to start a new chat here. Let's try that again. All right, so there's our image. So it looks pretty good. And of course, you could type in changes, but like I said before, you're not going to be able to get the exact same thing with your changes. So your results are definitely going to vary when you decide to have it redo your image. All right, let's try something else. All right, let's do something with a little more detail this time. So make a realistic face of a man smiling, give him a mustache, wrinkles, brown hair, and green eyes. Put some snow-covered mountains in the background with some birds in the sky. There you go. So that came out pretty good. Let's see if we could make some changes here and get similar results. All right, redo this exactly, but give him a beard instead of just a mustache. All right, so once again, you got to word it correctly. All right, let's try it. Recreate your image exactly, but give him a beard instead of just a mustache. If I didn't spell recreate right, but it should be able to figure out what I was talking about. All right, so it tried to redo it, but obviously it's not exactly the same, but we have our beard at least this time. All right, let's do a new chat here and try something new. You can see here we have our advertisement to get AI Pro for $6.50 a month right now. All right, so now make me a cartoon strip with 6 panels about a superhero dog with a cape. Now we're going to have it create your own images for each of the panels. You can see here I forgot to click on images, so let's try this again. All right, so here is our cartoon right there. So it even came with a little storyline, so that's not too bad. All right, let's try a new one here. All right, so now we're going to see if it could make me a thumbnail for this video that I could actually use. So we're going to go for a widescreen YouTube video thumbnail for a video on the Gemini Nano Banana text-to-image tool. Let's see what happens here. All right, so you can see it tried to put a YouTube logo in there and make it like a play button because I mentioned for a video. So that's not really something I would want to use, but then you could just kind of, tweak your prompt here and have it redo it until you find something you like. All right, so there is your basic overview of the Gemini Nano Banana. So all you need to do is go to gemini.google.com. I'll put a link in the description for this. If you don't have the image button down here, click on it from here, create images, type in your prompt, and then if you want to start a new one, if you don't want to edit your existing one or add to it, you can do new chat from here. That's all there's to it. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.